Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's reading is about the topic is that what is going to happen in your love life, what is happening in your love life. There are two piles. You have to choose between these two piles. I'm going towards the reading number one. Okay guys, this is the pile number one, and what is going on in their love life. What is going for pile number one's love life. What is going on in pile number one's love life. I'm going to shuffle it and taking the cards out in front of you. What is going on in pile number one's love life? Okay, guys, with this card, you are going through some hurting. Maybe someone had deceived you in love, someone had left you, okay, and now what next? Someone had do something bad to you. They are lying to you or something. They are hiding something from you. The devil, definitely that person is like a devil. They had done something to you. They had restricted you, or they had a mask on their face, and now they are leaving their past. They are telling you, they had tell you that they had done something, and you think that all of your skill work, all that you have made, that you have hard work, that you had done hard work for, that is going in the trash can, or that all be spoiled. You had made the home, and that is on the fire. Why is this happening? Why is this wrong? I already know that they have this some third party situation. Okay, they want to leave you, they want to get away from you, but they can't. What else happening in my file number one's love life? Okay, maybe this had happened in the past, and now they want to come towards you. They don't want to anymore. They don't want to anymore cut you off from their life, and they are coming towards you. Okay, yes, this is the situation that they are coming towards you. At first they had left you for some other person. They are third party situation, and now, and you think that all you had done, you made, your love is spoiled. Now they are coming back towards you. They can't uh, they can't refuse you the feeling towards you, and they can't forget you, and that's why they are coming towards you. They are coming back towards you. What else? What else they are? Yes, they want to make their wish fulfill with you, to come towards you, to marry you, to love you. They want to, or with this card, your wishes are coming true, that you want them to be with you. You want to marry them, and that's why your wishes are coming true. Yes, definitely. The marriage card, the success card, the marriage card is here. You are definitely going to marry that person. What else? After that marriage, you don't have to wait for that person anymore. That is the obvious. What else? Oh, but your family life, your relationship with that person is not as good as it has to be. Why is this 10 of cups upside down? Why is this 10 of cups upside down? Okay, show me the card. Why is this 10 of cups upside down? Show me the card, please. Okay, this is done. Why is this 10 of cups upside down in this situation? In my pile number one situation. Why is this 10 of cups upside down? Why is this 10 of cups upside down? because I think that they had a good relationship with someone else. That's why they are not happy with you. What else? Why this kind of ups upside down in this situation? Because maybe this person is very stubborn, or maybe one more thing, that they had not have a good relationship with that other person. That's why they are coming towards you and they are making the good relationship with you. In the search of good relationship, they are coming towards you. And I think they are from your past. You know them. What else is happening with you? Yes, a good happy home life. They are coming towards you in search of happy home life. But I think there is still no stability in this relationship. What else? Yes, they have to decide over you and that person. They have to leave one person. If they want to marry you, they have to leave one person. And they are not stubborn over here. They are leaving someone with this card. What are they doing? Okay. They are defending their love for you, and they are offering their love. They are proposing you. They had made their mind and they are coming towards you. They want to hold you. They want to make your life happy, and they want to give you their love, give their protection to you. One more card. What is the outcome of this situation? One more card, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, they are traveling towards you. Yes, they are traveling towards you. They are coming towards you. Okay. Now what we have with these cards? Stream of Kaya. Okay, we have, what is this? Emotion and what is this? Emotion and intellect. Okay. And we have also perception. Now, with this card upside down, I think that you have to think clearly, think thoroughly about this relationship. That if you want to have this relationship with that person, or that person want to have a relationship with you, that this is what they desire, or you both desire. Okay, don't look at the surface things. Dig deeply and thought about it. I think that with this card, one more thing is that you have to know that the people around you, they need you as well as you need them, and you need their advice. Okay, and also be careful that if you are not putting your reality on false perceptions. Okay, and first go and have a knowledge about that person, what they really want, what they want to do to you, what they had in their mind, how their house is going on, all about them. Okay, then thought about that situation and make your mind, make the decision, what do you want. And then you have this emotional intellect, water, and I think page of water maybe. Okay, this card is for you, that you have to balance your emotions and intellect. Okay, love yourself and others. uh, don't fear of others, don't fear to do anything. Take a step, express yourself to them openly, and get to know the deepest desire of that person. Okay, Okay, use your head with heart. Okay, or and this is also easy as well as it is difficult for you, because to know any person, to know about any person, it is very difficult for you, for any person. And you have to know about all the truth about, all the clarity about this situation, why they are coming to us, what do they have in their mind. um, I have one more question. Okay, why is this person is coming to us, what do they have in their mind? Okay, thank you. They want to win you and they want to fulfill their desire, that is towards you. You are their desire. They are in love with you, or maybe they are attracted to you. They are attracted to your beauty, and or maybe your power, your uh, bravery, and they want to win you. And this is their desire, this is their wish. You are their fish. That's why they are coming towards you. They have nothing else in their mind. Okay, this is all for you, my pile number 1. And if you want to know more about this situation and some other situation, keep watching my videos. You can also watch my previous videos. You can surely get some help from there. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes, why I'm going towards the pile number 2. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 2, these are the cards that I had shown you before. And now the question is, what are their person, they are going what is happening in their love life. For my pile number 2, what is going on in their love life, what is happening in their love life, what is next in their love life. For my pile number 2, what is next in their love life. Okay, guys. Now you have here Knight of Swords, and I think with this card that person is very attracted to you, and they want to propose you. They are coming towards you in this month or in this week. They are going to propose you, I think so. With Chariot card, they are moving very fastly towards you. They are planning about you. They are doing something here, planning, or they are coming towards you. They are proposing you, and they are very they are made their mind over you, for you, and they are strictly made their mind for you to marry you or to propose you. This relationship is very stable. Okay, this person wants the stable relationship with you. And then what else, what are they going to do? My pile number 2. Okay, now first, this person is very much in love with you. They love you by their heart, by their desire, by their all, but they by their thoughts, and they are very stubborn person. If they want something, they want to have that thing in their life, and they are not happy without you. They are not happy until they get you, and they are going to succeed in this situation with this Sun card. What else? Or maybe your future is bright with that person. What else? Something else. But this person is not thinking with their head, thinking with not thinking with their mind. When this is over you, when this is about you. What else? They have a lot of feelings, lot of emotions for you, and they are maybe hiding this, or they are unhiding this with this card. And but there is the fact that they have a lot of emotions for you, and they had done a lot to have you in their life, and now they want the gain the profit out of this situation. They are your soulmate with this card. They want to join you, they want to spend time with you, they want to give their heart to you, their love to you. And Knight of Pentacles, but their moving speed is very slow. They are slow to come towards you, they are slow to propose you, to tell you that they are in love, because they have some heartbreakage over this situation, and they want the happy home life with you. Why is this Three of Swords is here in this situation? Why is this? Because they are defending themselves, defending their love for you. That's why their heart is broken. Maybe there is some person in their life, they are not letting them come towards you, and they are making that person's mind to come towards you. Maybe this is their parents, their siblings, or maybe it is the third party situation, and they have someone else in their life, they had married someone else in their life. Okay, clarify this Three of Swords once again. They are very unsafeful about this situation, this heartache situation. Maybe they are thinking that you don't love them, you can't accept their proposal, and that's, but they still want you. Okay, you have the Scribe card, and this is for that you have to, okay, you need the knowledge about that person, what they want, what they have a desire for you, why are they coming towards you. You have to have a knowledge about that person, all about them. Okay, and you have, maybe they know your history, or you know their history. You can easily know what that person is, what had they done to you or to others, which kind of that person they are. Do you easily know that, and make everything with love, with passion. Okay, and decide with the knowledge, with wisdom, with this Mother card. Maybe their heart is broken with someone else, and they want you to cure them, or they are here for you to cure you. But I think they their heart is broken due to someone else, and they need you to heal them. They need you to make their home happy. They need you for this. Okay, you have to maybe they want some child from you, the other person not able to give them the child, or they are not willing to give them a child. They want the child from you. This is also could be the situation. And also, but they are very slow, they want the healing from you with this snake card, snake. Okay, they think that you are a healer, you are a good person, you can heal their hurt, you can heal their life, and that's why they are coming towards you. And your life is going to be healed by that person, or you are going to heal that person's life. And I think there's no issues about this relationship. If you want to have this relationship, to have a relationship with that person, you can marry them. But It's up to you. If you think that this is good, if you want to do this, then do it. If you don't want to do it, or having a difficulty to do this, then don't do it. It's up to you. I'm here for to tell you what is happening. And yes, please like, share, subscribe my videos, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. Khuda Hafiz.